Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I will be unboxing this Whitestone dome glass for the Samsung Galaxy A50 and the A30, and I'll also be showing you how to install it. And there's also a giveaway. I'll be talking more about that at the end of the video, so stay tuned till the end. So guys, this is the box. This is a Whitestone dome glass for the Galaxy A50 and A30. Now this screen guard is priced at $30. Right now it's not available in India, not on Flipkart or Amazon, but you can buy it directly from their website and they do ship worldwide. So if you're really interested, there's a link for that in the description. Now with that said, let's come back to the box. So guys, this is the box, and on the front they have the branding Whitestone dome glass, and they even boast about 4 fulls. That's full responsiveness, full clarity, full coverage, and full filling. And at the bottom they also have something about adhesive curing by UV light. That's their device. On the back we have a quick picture of that at the bottom. So this is my first time trying out something like this and I'm really excited. So let's open it up and see how to install it on the Samsung Galaxy A50. Now once we open the box, we get a white box inside. It has a UV curing machine and its cable. So let's just put that aside. Next we have some documentation with some instructions. Now this is something you should really read even if you check out my video or any other video, because the process is too complicated. Now going on, next we have some more tools for the process, like some dirt removing stickers, alcohol swabs, cleaning cloth pieces, and some more. Next we have this tube-like container. They have the transparent liquid adhesive. Next we have some more tools, and finally we have the glass itself. Now here's how we install the dome glass. This is the bottom tray. First we need to place it on a flat surface, then put the phone in it, then put the earpiece covering sticker on the earpiece so that the liquid won't go into it. Next we need to put the top tray and align it properly. Now we need to put the styrofoam sticks on the sides like this. They absorb the liquid that might slip out from the sides. Next we need to insert the plastic piece on top near the earpiece. Next put the plastic thing with a hole in it right here in the grooves. Next take one of the 2 tubes of liquid, open the colored cap and put it upside down into the hole. Now take off the second cap on that tube. Now the liquid will flow onto the phone screen. Now just in case, tap the tube few times to make sure it's completely empty, and then remove the tube and the plastic holder. Now take the screen guard and remove the protective film on it. Next place the screen guard on the phone screen. Now tilt the tray by pressing the bottom part. This way liquid will flow downwards. After that, remove the plastic piece from the earpiece area. By the way guys, remember not to touch the glass while the liquid adhesive is spreading. The liquid did not cover the top part yet, so we can tilt it a little to make it reach the top. Now leave it, and if it doesn't spread, tilt again, but don't touch the glass. Now the adhesive has spread the screen completely. Now take the UV curing machine, turn on the machine and put it on the phone. Just so you know, you shouldn't be looking into that UV light. Just place it above the phone for about 15 seconds on the top side and leave it for another 15 seconds on the bottom side. If you think the middle part wasn't covered, place it over the middle part too. Now take everything off and remove the phone from the tray. Now take the alcohol swabs and clean the excess liquid from the edges and on the glass. Place the phone on a flat surface and put the UV curing machine on it, again for 60 seconds on the top part and 60 seconds on the bottom part. As I've said earlier, this is my first time doing it, so I messed up the steps a bit. Before we use that curing machine once again, we need to take those alcohol swabs and clean the excess liquid from the edges and on the glass, and then use the curing machine. There wasn't any leakage or any excessive fluid on the display or on the sides, so I just forgot to do that. Anyway, after using the curing machine the second time, just clean the phone with a clean cloth, and now you are done. Now this is how the phone looks with the dome glass on. Now you might wonder why you want to use this over a regular tempered glass, and the answer is pretty simple. If you really want the best protection for your phone and the best user experience, even after placing a screen guard on your phone, then this is something you really have to consider. Right now this is not available in India directly, but you can get it from their official website. Now about that giveaway, I will be giving away this dome glass for Samsung Galaxy A50 or A30, and if you want to participate, it's pretty simple. Just make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and make sure you comment below this post on Instagram to participate in the giveaway. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're interested to know more about this product, link is in the description, do check it out. By the way guys, if you're planning to buy any of these phones, that's the A50 or A30, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.